Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account from Windows 10 or Windows 7 as well as Windows. It is same as well as all Windows type. To do this, you have to log in from your main Facebook account. Go to your Facebook account, then hit profile from the right corner. Then you have to go to settings and privacy option, then click settings again, choose privacy option, then your Facebook information option, scroll down, then you will see deactivation and deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account option. You can view from this bar. If you want to deactivate your account or if you want to delete your account, click continue to account deactivation. Note that your profile and your page will be deactivate at the same time. Click continue. Tell them a reason why are you deactivating your Facebook account. You can show that any option. I'm keeping it blank. Keep in messenger, yes. If you want to deactivate now, click deactivate. It will be deactivate. If you want to deactivate now, it will be deactivate from this time. So hit activate.